Ganda di Banampon Kapitolyo. Provincial Government of Ibana. Once again, palakpakan natin ang Ibana Athletes. Of course, we also express our gratitude to the municipal and barangay officials of Ibana. Dito rin po sila. Just Mama Claus. And now, approaching the grandstand, the Batangas National Science High School Drum and Largo. Oh my goodness. There's a lot. leadership of Analisa Galasinao. Grabe na nangyari ng Republika Dominicana. Si Nino na ibigtan. Kan si Vice na ibigtan. Si Congressman na ibigtan. Yun, ipadab. Just some of us, the athletes of Biptan Elementary School. You now call their school principal or her representative. Dito po sa, ayun mo ba siya? Yan, dito po sa grandstand. Yan, good luck. Team Biptan. And now we welcome the athletes of Basco Barrio Schools. The Basco Barrio Schools. Ito po ay binubuo ng Sanaran Elementary School, Dugon Elementary School, under the leadership of Evelyn Tagulaw, at ang elementary level ng Balugaan Integrated School na pinamumunuan ni Maylin Bumanglag. Basco Barrio School na sa unaran niya ito. Dito po naman ang sapato. Ang mga ginit na nakabig uniform. Yung mga pinadalas pag-20-20-21. Mas nabig naman ang pinag-birthday.
Pwede.
Okay, pahinga natin ang yan na BDS.
Are you ready? Basco Barrio School and Balugan Integrated School? 1, 2, 3, go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 2, 1. Let's go, Balagan. Let's go, Balagan. Let's go, BBS. Let's go, BBS. Let's go, Bobby. Let's go, BBS and BBS. Let's go, BBS and BBS. Let's go, BBS and BBS. Woo!
Basketball School! Pinawang morning vlog sa Raymond. BBS. Kanina naman din ang BBM. Ayan, enjoy si Ma'am. I-promote mo nga yan. Ay, students mo i-promote. Ayan, thank you very much sa Basco Bano School. Imagine, magkakalagay na mula pabundukan, mga karagatan yan. May we now request their school principal or school head. Dito po tayo sa Garanstan. Good luck, Basco Bano School.
Basta sila. Ano na, basta na sila.
Basco Central School. Yes? Yes.
Kami si Ma'am Karina de los Santos. Higayan na lang nila, PCS.